Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Today, let's solve this equation. If you can solve it with another method, drop the answer in the comments section. So, follow the video for the step-by-step solution. We are given f of x plus square root of x squared plus 1, close the bracket, equals to x. Find f of x. This is quite simple. Solution. By writing out the question, f of x plus the square root of x squared plus 1 equals to x. If you come across this kind of a question in a functional equation, don't try to manipulate f in the first place. Try to make u substitution and solve for x in terms of u. Let u equals to x plus square root of x squared plus 1. Then u, transferring x to the other side, u minus x will be equals to the square root of x squared plus 1. By squaring both sides, u minus x squared. If you square the sides, square will cancel out square root. Then we have x squared plus 1. Expand the left hand side here, that is, expand u minus x squared. The answer will be u squared minus 2ux plus x squared, and this will be equal to x squared plus 1. Here, x squared will cancel out x squared. If I transfer this one to the other side, it becomes negative. X squared minus x squared becomes 0. And we are left with u squared minus 2ux equals to 1. By making 2ux as subject, 2ux equals to u squared minus 1. That is, transfer 1 to here, it becomes negative. Transfer 2x to the other side and it becomes positive. I want to solve for the value of x. X will be equal to, then divide both sides by 2u. U squared minus 1 over 2u. So having get the value of x to be equal to u squared minus 1 over 2u, let's substitute back into a functional equation. Originally the function has become f of u equals to x. Since we said u should be equal to x plus square root of x squared plus 1. Now, since x equals to u squared minus 1 over 2u, let's replace it now. We have f of u equals to u squared minus 1 over 2u. That is the value of x. Now replace u with x. By replacing u with x, we obtain the given question. F of x will now be equal to, we are replacing u by x, we have x squared minus 1 over 2x, and this will be our final answer. We've obtained f of x will be equal to x squared minus 1 over 2x. For more videos on functional equation, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.